Folks, I did a thing on things we see in the shop. I went to go pull the hood on here, couldn't get the hood up because this vehicle here has its hood taped down with duct tape. All duct tape right on the seams. Can you imagine? Chevy Malibu. So you see that? The duct taped all over. So now we got to tear the duct tape off just to open this hood. And I guess we got to put duct tape back on there, huh? Whew, I tell you the truth.
Oh, holding the headlights in, the bumper's falling off, it's spongied up. Or is that the hood? I don't know.
I've never seen this one before where you duct tape the hood, but I guess duct tape will work for everything. It's a Chevy Malibu, and what happened is something wrong with the shift cable. Well, I guess we better start taking this.
Just leave it on and we'll take the paint off and take a razor and put duct tape on top.
Whew, I never did that. And they're going to probably want us to duct tape it back, and if we don't duct tape it back, they're going to say, well, it was duct taped on. Billy taking the duct tape. That one though.
I'm starting to see the spider webs in this thing.
Oh, you can't get.
Shit.
Motor oil.
All right.
Check for ages.
Check for what?
Check the engine oil, he says.
Don't forget you got to check the door fluid too.
Oh God.
And the headlight and the headlight fluid.
Falling out. Oh God. There's duct tape. Oh, sure. Not the shift table.
The grommet is finished. Yeah. All right, let's fix this so we can duct tape this back up. Oh boy, I should. Oh no. Woo. There is a way you can drill a hole through there and put a locking thing on there, but oh well. We just gonna duct tape it back. Here is that Chevy Malibu. We went on and fixed the shifter. Look what we have to do. I've never ever did this in my life, but because they came in with duct tape to duct tape the hood down so it don't fly up, now we got to go duct tape it back so the hood don't fly up. But I don't know, I'm gonna have to tell them that they need to tow this car out or drive it at their own risk. That's right. That's Billy said. Drive at your own risk. Is that amazing? Boy, sometimes that's the problem. Oh Lord, this is just ugly. Woo! See what people make you do stuff like this. It's not right. This is just not right. but you learn what duct tape will do, don't you? We might have to use this method one day. You may be driving on the road and some break, and you may have to have only duct tape in there. At least you know that it can be done. I think you better double duct tape that thing.
It's got a safety latch, it's got a strap, it's got a wire.
You got a wire there? I don't know. I think I pulled more duct tape off of there. That wind is strong. They're gonna drive like this.
Yeah, but this here's got you too. Plus your safety latch has got you.
Look at that. Yeah. Look at here. This ain't even down. That ain't even down right.
I know. That's the way they had it, see?
See,
that's the way they had it.
This is not a California car. There's no way they can do this in California. Woohoo! Huh?
State of Jersey neither.
State of Jersey neither?
West Virginia.
West Virginia. Can you all
Even the hillbillies can't do this.
What state? What state do y'all know where y'all could put?
Ohio. I used to go to Jersey with the cars from here. Eat out and stuff. They laugh at me in Jersey.
Really?
I don't care.
Woohoo!
You got me from A to Z. A to B.
Well, I guess that went here. Look, you gotta do this one. This had it. Because it's, because the wind to get underneath there. You gotta go right here. Here first. Here. The wind to get under there and knock it up. It can't have no place where the wind can get under. It has to be aerodynamic. Shoot, you do something like this, we might decide to build our own car. We found out how to do it with duct tape. It's possible.
It had like heats that right up. You never get that off there.
You heat it up. Here,
Oh, yeah.
look here. This here is missing. Go that side of here. You won't be surprised if a car manufacturer sees something like this and build a certain type of headlight like that look like that. Well, Billy, he didn't put it back down. Oh well. Don't forget your screwdriver. Whew, wait a minute. Did we take this off too?
No.
You sure?
Yeah. I'll put a piece down here.
Okay, that's the duct tape Malibu. After we fix it, had to duct tape it back up. We'll call that the ghetto wrap.
It works. It works.
It works.
You just find that truck running and it's taped up.
I've seen same thing. People will tape over rust and then paint the tape.
Yeah. It looks good at night.
It looks good. Looks good at night, huh? Woohoo! Well, don't knock it till you try it, folks. Don't knock it till you try it.